everyone. I just got a delivery of some steel, so let's do an unboxing and we'll see how everything came, what it looks like, and I'll try and identify the projects that are associated with each piece. So here we have 3/8 by 3/4. These are going to be depth adjusting feet for dado planes. And I'm going to be getting into showing everybody how I make those. So that'll be probably a couple of videos for sure. So let's see what else we got here. Obviously, this is all O1 tool steel. That's what I make everything out of. And it's real convenient for me to only have to stock one kind of material, because whatever I pick up is going to be what I need. So now this is 3/16 by 3/8. This is going to be the bottom, like the ski portion of the depth adjustment foot. So if anyone remembers, they kind of look like this. So I'm just going to connect them rather than hog it out of one giant piece of steel. I don't have the facilities to do that. So those two pieces are for depth adjustment feet. And let's see, this is 3/16 by 2. So this would typically be for blades that look like this. That would go in coffin planes and stuff, so that's good to have around. It's a good thickness. Let's see here. 5/32 by 1.5 inches. This is going to be molding planes. And I have a bunch of it still in my other stock. So now I have 3/16 by 36. So right now I have two winding sticks that are kind of mismatched. One is a leftover piece from a float that failed, and the other one is kind of shorter and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut, I believe, I'll cut like two, I might just cut this 36-inch piece in half and just have two 18-inch winding sticks from this one piece of stock. So that's that. And then the other thing I want to do is I want to make something that, I'll show you what I have in mind. I use a bevel gauge to lay out my bed angles on all my planes and stuff. And what I'm finding is that this leg of the bevel gauge is too short, and it introduces a little error. And then what happens is, as I chase the lines around the plane, I'm spending all that time squaring everything up and getting all the geometry in the blank proper, but I don't have enough precision built into my tools to make the kind of layout I want. So what I want to do is I want to basically create a bevel gauge that actually extends kind of like this, so that this straight edge is much longer, and then I could use the other adjustable leg more efficiently and then also do the right and left side of a plane without having to reconfigure the gauge and lose the setting on the angle. So what I want to do is make something that's got about two like 24-inch legs maybe, and or whatever, 18-inch legs, and then that way I'll have the versatility. So that's my idea with that. I don't have a design set on that, but you need this steel to be able to go ahead and do a project like that. And then I have some 3/16 by 1/2 inch material, and for that what I have planned are floats. So one of the ideas that I have for the float is going to be based on this design. What I found was that I was able to reach through the bed of the plane and actually hold this from the other side of the plane and operate through the bed, even on the big bench plane, the joiner plane. So rather than take it out of 1-inch material and then reduce it and do all this work, what I want to do is just have it out of 1/2-inch material, and instead of making it this long, which is only about, I don't know, maybe 6 or 7 inches long, where the stroke is really short, what I want to do is make a longer one, like maybe 18 inches long, and then I could leave the end of it like 3 or 4 inches blank and grab it and then really reef it through the body of the plane to true up the beds and whatever else. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one as an edge float in that configuration, the long configuration, so I could do the wedge pockets, and then one as a flat float so that I can do the beds of these planes. So that's this. One of these lengths is basically going to be two floats. So there's a lot of work I have planned, and having the steel on hand is going to allow me to fabricate the tooling, and then the tooling is going to allow me to fabricate the planes, and then the planes are going to allow me to fabricate woodworking projects. And it's going to go on like that until I run out of ideas. Stay strong, everybody. Have a good day. Thank you.